The area was taken over in 1912 by E.J.Rileys as a loading timber, and they made legs for billiard tables, and it was a very big site. So the canal wharf further down helped them load the timber products in and out of the factory onto the barges, which were transported up and down the canal. Also, Howard and Buller's used the canal wharf for the machinery. So when they finished with the machinery, they then fetched it down here and then loaded the machinery onto the canal. By 1945, Waterhouse Norris Limited purchased a site, which was Lignastone Company, who made golf clubs out of wood. The wood was called, in its Latin, it means wood stone, Lignastone, and now it's E.J.Riley hardware. Church Canal Wharf opened in 1891, and that was on Bradley Street, named after Robert Bradley, which is just further up, which I'm going to show you next. It was the former site of Church Chemical Works. That was the earliest company of this site. So it's quite a busy site in its heyday. It's still quite a busy site today, and as you can see, there's quite a lot of traffic. Thank you. This is just showing the original church wharf, which was established here in 1890, and you can see these buildings here are from early 1900s. This was where E.J.Rileys used this wharf to load and unload the timber on. You can see the old stonework, which is earlier date, for about mid-1800s. But unfortunately, all this site did blow up. There's an explosion behind me in 1917 at Courtone Works, which was just behind me, just a little bit further up. But you can see the original buildings are still intact today, from 1912. So that's just showing these. And that's the rear of Albion Mill, which I did in a previous video. So this wharf would have been used to transport on this canal, which is the Leeds and Liverpool canal, and up and down this canal are still rows of mills which are used today. These look like the original stone gates from the Courtone Works, which blew up in 1917. They're quite huge stone gates. So this was probably the original works, but this site is now owned by Walker Steel.